Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about basic Cypress test or first Cypress test. As you know, in last video, we have learned how to set up Cypress installations. So now we will go to VS Code. You can see after the installation of the VS Code, so we have this many folders are there and some package.json file is there. That is the configuration files. This is the node module are installed. So now we will create one test case which is related to the first Cypress test case. So when we want to create any of the test cases, we have to create inside the Cypress folder, and inside the folder download E2E fixer file and support folder is there. So we have to go to the E2E folder, means the end-to-end folder. So here we can create the one test case and we can write that script for that. So we will create one test case like new file, click on new file and type what test case you want to write. We will write the first Cypress test, my first Cypress test dot .cy, because Cypress is cy dot .js. JS means JavaScript. Extension should be the same. Then only it will be show the test case. Okay. So now we want to explain like which is website we have to take for that particular things. We can go to the website. We will do that cypress.io example.cypress.io. So we will visit the particular website and we will check the kitchen sink will available or not particular page. So we'll go to the VS Code. We can take this link of that website. So here when we want to write any of the script, so first function will be there describe. This is a describe. So inside the describe we have to mention what is the describe. So what is our describe means we can say that scenario of the test cases, and we can say the describe is the function to use to group related test cases, we can say. So we can mention my first Cypress test. This is our scenario of the test cases. Now after the comma we have to create the functions. Sentence should be the same. Okay, like this way we have to create the functions. Okay, after the describe function, so as you know that after the scenario inside the test case will be there. So here test case means it is a it block. We are defining the it block. Inside the it block we can give that what step we want to perform. Suppose here we want to do the visit the particular URL. So visit the Cypress website, that is our descriptions. Okay, similar types we have to create the function here also. Okay, done. Now we want to write the steps of the test cases, like what action I want to perform inside that it block. What is the it block? So it block we can say it is a block, yeah, it is a function. It block is a function to use to define specific of the test cases. Now we want to use cy dot visit is our command to go to particular website, yeah, particular URL. So that is our URL. Now after the URL you reached, so we want to check particular URL uh, kitchen sink is available or not. If kitchen sink is available, then it is the assertion will be there like kitchen sink is available, then it is getting passed. Otherwise it will getting failed. So now again cy dot, we have a one functions, yeah, one function, so that is content. What is the content are there? Contents, that is the contents in the function. What content? This is the text of that. So text is there, kitchen sink. Okay, what is the kitchen sinks? It should be, it should display, right? Should is the functions again. should, okay, it should be visible, right? Visible, right? V dot visible. That is the command of that to check the particular things. So this is our test case we created, and in this test case, describe block is there. In describe block, we mention the scenario of the test cases, and second things, it block is there. It block we are defining the test case steps. Okay, now in that describe block, we are able to define the multiple test block also. It block also we can define it. Okay, so now we will start that our test cases we will run it is working or not. So first, when you want to start the test case, so npx cypress run. So that is cypress open. Sorry, cypress open. So it is the command to open the Cypress. So click on that. Now check in the command. See here the dev tool. See here dev tool listening the command and it is started the Cypress. So now coming guys, welcome to Cypress, and this is the we configured in last video. Okay, so it too is testing, end-to-end testing is already configured. We click on that. Here we can showing like the which browser you want to proceed. So we are proceeding with the Chrome. Now you will see that spec, that is our project name, and spec means all the test case will be there. So we created the test case 1 minute ago, and this is my first test case, and you can see these many test cases are there in our project, but we created one test case, my first Cypress test. So we click on that particular things. You can see your tests are loading and it's coming the compilation error. Okay, so why is coming like this? So this is not required. First line of code is always not required, because this is when you want to describe it at the time by default is adding. You can click on that. Okay, when you want to save the file, it automatically run that. Okay, now you can see we can run the test case. Test case is running successfully. Is you can see that 328 milliseconds. That is too faster than other framework. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.